Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this segment, we will dive into the detailed steps required to replace the clutch and install the temperature sensor. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a socket set, a torque wrench, screwdrivers, pliers, and a clean workspace. You will also need new clutch components and a temperature sensor. Begin by safely lifting the vehicle using jack stands, ensuring it is secure. Remove the wheel on the side where you will be working. Next, detach the protective cover to access the transmission. This may require removing several screws, so keep track of them as you work. Once you have access, take a moment to clean the area. Use a degreaser to remove any built-up grime, making the process easier and ensuring that no debris contaminates the new components. Now, we will remove the old clutch. Start by disconnecting the clutch slave cylinder. This often involves removing a couple of bolts. Be cautious, as hydraulic fluid may leak out, so have a rag handy. Next, locate the bolts securing the clutch assembly. Using your socket set, remove these bolts carefully. It's important to work methodically and avoid rounding any edges. If you find any bolts particularly stubborn, a penetrating oil can help loosen them. Once the old clutch is out, compare it with the new one to ensure compatibility. Before installing the new clutch, check the flywheel for damage or wear. If necessary, resurface or replace it to avoid future issues. Now, align the new clutch with the release bearing and secure it in place with the previously removed bolts. Remember to torque these bolts to the manufacturer's specifications for safety. If you're unsure about any specifications, consulting your vehicle's service manual can provide clarity. As we transition to the temperature sensor installation, keep in mind that if you don't have the tools or time for this task, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. You can have peace of mind knowing that we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transportation. Locate the temperature sensor, which is often found near the thermostat housing. Disconnect the wiring harness carefully, and use your socket set to remove the sensor. Be cautious of any coolant that may spill, a catch pan can be handy here. Install the new temperature sensor by screwing it into place. Ensure it is snug but not overly tight, as this can damage the threads. Reconnect the wiring harness, making sure it clicks securely into position. Before finishing up, double-check all your connections and ensure everything is properly torqued. If you have any doubts about the installation, remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding. Finally, lower the vehicle back to the ground, reattach the wheel, and take a moment to test the new components. Start the engine and let it idle to ensure the temperature sensor is functioning correctly and that there are no unusual noises from the new clutch. This wraps up our tutorial on replacing the clutch and installing a temperature sensor. Always remember to follow safety precautions and consult with professionals if needed. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.